In this video, I want to answer the question, how often should you email to grow your business? And so this comes from years of testing with our business, but also with all the businesses I've consulted with. We still use this system today to run our seven-figure membership. Uh, we use it every month. And so here's what it is. So the promise I'm going to make is that this will be simple. It's going to be a repeatable system, and it will drive sales and keep your list happy. So the pain that most people say when they're thinking about emailing is I will annoy my list, they'll unsubscribe, and I don't know what to email. Those are the most common things that I hear. And then the plan that we tell people to consider, and this is what we do, is we do what's called a 4-2-1. So we do 4 value emails a month, so 1 per week, 2 partner emails a month. So if you want to do affiliates or if you have people that you're collaborating with, we do 2 of those per month. And then we do 1 flash sale per month, which is you have a new offer, it's going away soon, last chance to buy. So the plan is called a 4-2-1, 4-2-1. And again, the idea is that this is going to simplify your business. You'll add new members every month, and you'll stay top of mind with people because you are emailing them, but you won't overwhelm them with too many people or too many emails, right? Most people think that less is more, or less email is safer because they don't like when people unsubscribe. They don't want to bother people. But you got to get over that. Email is, so why is it wrong? People don't understand that email is the best conversion tool and it's super underutilized. So a lot of the businesses that I work with are either not putting an emphasis on growing their list, or they're not emailing their list regularly to generate leads and sales, or to generate sales, excuse me. And it is the best way to sell. Hands down, email list is king. And so you have to understand that you have to value your email list because it's a big, big driver of sales. What's right? So a 4-2-1 frequency works because it's the perfect balance of value and sales. So, once a week you're sending them a value email. If you're a YouTube business, then that value email can just be, hey, go watch this YouTube video. It's a great YouTube video. And you get 4 of those, so 1 per week. So just set it up every Monday. You're going to send a value email. Every Monday, you're going to send it. And then 2 partner emails per month. And we do those every other Thursday. So every other Thursday, you're sending out something that can generate revenue for you that might not be your product. Or if you do have other products, then we would promote those on these other 2 days, on the two, right? Every other Thursday, we send kind of a off-brand promotion or a different offer than our core offer. And then 1 flash sale per month. And so flash sale, again, you introduce a new offer, you say it's going away soon, and then you say last chance to buy. That's going to provide you the best balance between value and sales. And again, proof, this is the exact cadence that we've built and that we've used to sustain our seven-figure business. We still run it every week. We send a value email, we do a flash sale at the end of every month, and then we do 2 partner emails in the middle. Really simple. And so 4-2-1, that's how often you should email. And just do 4 value, 2 partner, and then 1 flash sale every month. And then you're just running that every month on a cycle. And if you want help implementing this in your business, you can join my school community where I help people implement stuff like this in their business. So you can share your constraints here. I'll help you solve problems. And then here's some strategies that we use to grow businesses, like the 4-2-1 sequence that I just showed you. And then we have a calendar as well. So I'm available every day to answer questions. I answer questions from 9 to 10 a.m. So if you have questions, you can get them answered every day, and we will help you grow your membership. And click the link below this video to join. Hope this was helpful.